Hey everyone, welcome to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new, please consider subscribing, liking, and commenting. But now let's get right in today's topic, which is regarding none other than Stellar Lumens. You know, tomorrow is a big day for Stellar Lumens. I'm sure you guys know what I'm talking about. But today, as far as the market is concerned, market did take a little bit of a bloodbath. Saw the price of Bitcoin retest below 25K mark, which did shake out majority of the markets, and Bitcoin dominance is also increasing as we speak. But as far as XLM is concerned, it's down about 2% on the daily time frame. But remember, on the weekly time frame, it still continues to be one of the top performers in the top 100 coins, and it's up 6.9%. You guys know tomorrow is the announcement. As you guys know, it says changes in the air, and the category is brand. We're bringing Stellar to the real world in 5 days. Keep your eyes locked. So tomorrow is the day where people are really anticipating Stellar to really announce this massive news that they have under their sleeves, and this is really causing a massive buzz. And speaking about buzz, the price continues to hold and rebounds really quickly just by this news itself, which is quite impressive, and we will get into that. So as always, just a quick disclaimer that anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. The price is currently sitting at 13.1 cents, down about 2% over the past 24 hours in USD comparative, also down 2.4% in Bitcoin comparative over the past 24 hours. Looking at its market cap, $3.6 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume currently sitting at 125.5 million. But let's take a look at the price. You know, the price is doing something that's worthwhile noting. It's really showing the momentum. And speaking about the momentum, you know, that is something I've been discussing on my channel over the past few days, that, hey guys, you know, we need to pay attention to Stellar's price action. You know, Stellar continues to surprise a lot of people. A lot of haters are speechless right now because how well, you know, Stellar is holding against majority of the markets. Not only majority of the markets, the king of the market it's holding against, which is Bitcoin. You guys can see this for yourself today. Bitcoin did make its way down to that $24,920 level, first time since June of this year. So it's been quite some months since we have seen the price of BTC below 25,000. But you know, this is something we've been talking about on my channel, that, you know, the uncertainty is quite high, and the more the support gets retested, that's the weaker that support will get. And you know, it's not a surprise to myself that what we're seeing happening with XLM right now, and I'm sorry, what we're seeing happening with Bitcoin right now, but the way XLM has held against BTC is worthwhile noting and pointing out, because you can see this for yourself. Once again, we pretty much got supported by this massive level of support we have pretty much built out from pretty much last year. But now what I want to really show you is this will blow your mind. If we go on the hourly time frame, of course, at the end of the day, the correlation with Bitcoin will always be there. If Bitcoin drops, everything is going to react to BTC, and yes, Stellar is no exception. You can see this for yourself. Stellar also seen a decline today after Bitcoin tumbled below 25K mark. You can see we saw Stellar price went down about, if I bring out the measuring tool for you guys, we saw it go down about 7.8%, and that's mainly because of the Bitcoin correlation that exists, of course, with every altcoin except a meme coin. Except what's it called? Stablecoin. But anyways, if you had some buy orders placed in around here at this 12.4 cents mark, you've seen Stellar already bounce up about 5.56%, and that's not what I'm trying to show you guys. The thing that I'm trying to show you guys is we're almost only 3% away from where we were just yesterday prior to this crash. So basically what you can see is that the momentum that XLM has for itself is extremely bullish. And you know, I do expect, obviously leading up to that announcement, you know, in some countries it's already you know, September the 12th, so this announcement is subject to go live today. But you know, in North America it's late night right now, depending on which state you're in. But leading up to this, I really think if this announcement is revolutionary, it is with some of the big companies that we deal with on a day-to-day basis. And of course, there is a massive rumor going on that Apple could be on the books. If that were to happen, we've already discussed it. That is going to be immediate reaction. Of course, the price will react to that announcement. But what we're seeing is that there's definitely something behind the scenes that maybe the insiders do know. And what gives me that confirmation is that it continues to hold really strong, especially when Bitcoin dominance is closing into 50%. And not only that, Bitcoin is also on the very shaky end of the spectrum. So things are looking really, really great, to say the least, for Stellar. But as mentioned to you guys before, as soon as this news does come out, maybe there is going to be that sell the news thing that plays out. Remember, a lot of people that picked up some XLM around that 10 cents mark will close out their positions. So be prepared for a little bit of a minor retest. But if this announcement is big, do be prepared for Stellar to see a massive bounce. So tomorrow is very interesting to see. A countdown definitely does begin. I can't wait to wake up in the morning and really see what type of announcement they have under their sleeves. Hopefully it is something massive. And again, people, especially the Stellar community, has their fingers crossed that this could be Apple, but that is just dreaming at this point. But at the end of the day, you can dream as much as you want. You never know what can happen. So, nonetheless, once again, this is the beauty of doing day-to-day analysis. We can really see things on a broader scale. We can really see things, minute by minute, hour by hour, and see what is changing. And as of now, in terms of Stellar's price, not much has changed at all, and we could potentially even be hitting close to 14 cents if this momentum stays and people kind of FOMO and just thinking this move could be quite big. So I do expect some eyes to be on Stellar right now, but at the end of the day, remember, there are people that did buy in early. They will be closing their positions. Sell the news could possibly happen. And not only that, Bitcoin is still on very shaky side of spectrums. And there's a lot of people, it's crazy to see, some people are saying that Bitcoin could possibly even drop down to $10,000, which again, in my opinion, is not likely going to happen anymore. I think those days are behind us. Obviously, BlackRock and all these hedge funds, they are sophisticated investors. They want to take people's Bitcoin at the cheapest price. They want their entry level to be at the cheapest price. But the money in crypto is overall not falling for that, and hopefully that's how it remains. But I think we're being brainwashed, as I've said in my previous update. I think we're slowly getting brainwashed by this entire ETF, that that only this ETF's the reason why crypto can survive and get that massive bull cycle, which in my opinion is not true. But it's just become such a big thing that people are pretty much being brainwashed by that. But that is it for today's update. Thank you so much for all your support, each and every one of you guys. And I will see you guys tomorrow. And of course, let's see what happens tomorrow. We're very excited to see. Fingers crossed. And I will see you guys tomorrow, and we will pick it up from there. Bye bye.